Welcome back to Quick Oil and Break, guys. Today I'm working on a Hyundai Accent 2017. This car has a check engine light. I will share with you what is the code. So I'm using a Altel Autolink OBD scanner. So there is a two code. Okay, P0444, P0455. So we're gonna diagnose these two. So basically the P455, the easiest way, first thing you have to check your gas cap. If the seal is not good, you can replace this one, but my customer already replaced this one before he bring his car to me. But the cap was okay, I believe, because after he replaced the gas cap, his check engine light came back again. So I already diagnosed the problem. There's a purge valve uh, faulty, which is I'm going to replace. For this one, there's four hooks holding this cover. You have to pull one by one side to lift this up, and there is a purge valve. And to check the purge valve, there's several methods, electronically and mechanically. So today I'm gonna show you only one or two things to test the purge valve. I have another video which is complete testing for a purge valve. You can also check that video. So let's back to replacing a purge valve. Normally the purge valve has three problems. One electronically, and two mechanically. It can be stuck open or stuck closed. So this purge valve has a problem stuck closed. So I'm going to show you how to check. Okay, first thing, we're gonna little bit remove this connector. Then we remove this one and this one. And before I retire this one, I'm gonna show you. Okay, we're gonna remove this one, and we're gonna apply vacuum pump on this side. This pipe coming from the fuel tank, the charcoal canister, and this one is going to intake. And I can also show you. Okay, you see that pipe goes right intake manifold. Okay, that's throttle body. So you can see why it's going this way, and this one is going all the way back to the fuel tank. Okay, so this is the way you have to determine. Okay, now we're gonna check the purge valve. I'm going to connect the vacuum hose over here. It's already tight, so I don't need to put the clamp on top of that. So I'm gonna pump this one. As you see, it's not holding the vacuum, so that's mean it's stuck close, because right now it's supposed to be holding the vacuum because the car is now running. And once I install the new one, I will show you the new one how that work. Okay, so now we have to remove this one and replace the new one. So there's a 10mm nut. Okay, once we pull this one, I'm gonna now we have to little bit apply force to pull. Okay, and also we have to remove the bracket from the inside. So this is the new one. I'm putting this bracket back. Okay. Alright, you see the bracket get inside. So now we have to put the bottom one first. The bottom one going to intake manifold to the throttle body side into the engine. Okay. Attach this one clip. I already attached with this one, and we replace. Double check this tight. Yes. So I tied this one, and now you have to put the cover on it. When you putting a cover, make sure these two tabs going right over here. Okay, I hope you like this video. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and share, and if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.